Hello folks, this is my 1946 Fairmont railroad maintenance cart engine. It is a 8 to 13 horsepower motor, 2-cycle motor. That's why the 18 to 13 horsepower. The faster you make it go, the more horsepower it generates. I run it on a buzz coil and 6-volt battery. Nice motor. There's my engine tag. Nice cart. These are nice motors. They're nice. Alright, let's fire her up for you. These Fairmonts, they'll run in either direction. By moving the timing lever. This is the timing lever right here. This is the speed control. So let's have her, right now she's running clockwise, let's have her go counterclockwise. I'm going to open up the ignition switch, move my timing lever. Now she's going counterclockwise. Very neat motors. Alright, I'll shut her down now. Thanks for looking at her. Take care, folks.